Hello guys, our topic for today is about uncrack problem T-beam section. Additional problem. In solving uncrack, if the T-beam shows is uncracked, calculate the stress in the concrete at the top and bottom extreme fiber under a positive bending moment of 80 feet kips. If FC prime is equal to 3000 psi and a normal weight concrete is used, what is the maximum uniformly distributed load the beam can carry if it is used as a simple beam with 24 feet span without exceeding the modulus of rupture of the concrete? Okay. Una, kunin natin yung neutral axis ng beam. Kasi yung neutral axis magagamit sa formula ng pagkuha ng gross moment of inertia at saka pagkuha ng stress. So, for this section, may width na 60 sa top, 12 sa baba, 27, tapos to 5. Then, may total na 32. Saka ito, designate natin yung bar Y as centroid. And then, dito yung neutral axis. So, para makuha natin yung bar Y is equal to A1 Y1 plus area 2 Y sub 2 is equal to total area which is A1 plus A sub 2. Ano yung A1 saka A sub 2? So, i-divide natin yung cross section. Itong sa top, designate natin as A1. Itong sa baba is A2. Okay. Area 1 is equal to 60 times 5. Okay, yung sa taas. And then, Y1 is yung centroid ng flange. So, Y1. And then, centroid ng beam is Y sub 2. Okay. 60 times 5 area Y1 is 5 divided by 2, kalahati. Okay. Yung reference point natin is yung top. Plus A2. So, B, which is 12 times depth na 27 times yung centroid from top. So, 5 plus 27 divided by 2. Ang katumbas nung Y sub 2, so that is equal to 18.5. And then yung Y1 naman is equal to 2.5 divided by area 1, 60 times 5 plus area 2 na 12 times 27. Ang bar Y natin na makukuha dito is 10.81 inch from top. yung flange. Tapos, makukuha na natin yung moment of inertia. So, to designate natin as A1. Moment of inertia A2, which is IG. Moment of inertia. Gross moment of inertia, kaya G. So, ito, from neutral axis, pataas. So, ayan yung nakaka-experience ng compression. Pababa, ayan yung tension. So, IG is equal to summation ng kapag ka-rectangle is 1/3 BH cube plus area D squared. Okay. Tuloy natin dito sa taas yung solution. So, IG E sub G is equal to ano muna tayo? Flange. 1/3 BH cube plus AD squared. Ito yung sa flange muna from neutral axis. So, 1/12 times 60 times 5 cube plus area ng flange 60 times 5. Tapos yung D, yan yung centroid, distance ng centroid to neutral axis. So yung distance na centroid is from top, so bar Y minus y sub 1 squared. So, ito yung kay flange. Okay. Plus, yung sa baba, si beam. 1/12 times B na 12 times H na 27 cube plus area D squared 12 times 27 D squared. So, yun yung centroid to neutral axis na nasa baba. So, is equal to Y2 minus bar Y squared. So, kapag ka-sinubstitute natin yan, yung bar Y minus, okay, ito magiging 10.81 minus Y1. Y1 is 5 divided by 2. Then, ito naman si Y sub 2 is equal to 5 plus yung kalahati ng 27 kasi magbe-base tayo ng ano. So, ito na pala. Kaya ako kinumpute. So, ito yung 18 point, yung Y2 is equal to 18.5 minus bar Y na 10.81. Close open parenthesis, squared. Huwag kalimutan yung squared. So, pag-addin natin yung gross moment of inertia ng top A1 saka A2. So, magkakaroon ng IG na value which is 60,185 inch to the fourth. Okay? Meron na tayong IG meron na tayong extreme fiber from neutral axis to top, extreme fiber top compression, extreme fiber bottom tension. So, mako-compute na natin yung stress kasi may moment na 80 feet kips. Tuloy natin yung pag-compute dito sa ibang So, 8, nasa A pa rin tayo. A3, stress due to applied moment, na 18 kip feet. So, i-convert na natin kaagad yan ng pounds inch. So, times 1,000 pounds per 1 kip times 12 inch 1 feet. Meron tayong makukuha na 216,000 pounds inch. So, yan na yung moment. By the formula of stress in concrete is equal to mc over I or m bar y over ig. Okay, ito yung T-beam section natin. Ito yung neutral axis. Ito yung bar y. And then, yung isa naman, ito yung total depth, which is 32. Yung 27 plus 5 minus bar y. So, ito yan na distance. Okay. Si compression sa taas, tension sa baba. So, substitute natin from stress formula na 216,000 pounds inch times yung bar wire natin na 10.81 inch divided by IG, which is 60,185 inch to the fourth. Check natin yung unit. So, cancel yung inch, yung isa, yung dalawa. So, pound inch squared. So, PSI. If we calculate that, we get 338 pound per inch squared. Then, next, kunin natin yung sky steel. Moment, the same. Tapos yung centroid to neutral axis, which is yung centroid niya is extreme, hindi centroid. So, ito yung kinukuha nating location hanggang neutral axis, kaya 32 minus bar y divided by IG. Moment 216 pounds inch, 32 minus 10.81 inch divided by 60,185. So, the same unit na makukuha natin na pound per square inch na 172 pound per inch squared. So, ayan na yung stresses from top at nung bottom na tension. So, proceed tayo sa B. Letter B. Ano yung tanong sa letter B? If FC prime is 3000 PSI, normal weight concrete is used. In-specify niya. Kaya yung formula natin na modulus of rupture, yung lambda is equal to 1. What is the maximum uniformly distributed load the beam can carry if it is used as a simple beam with 24 pound-feet? Span without exceeding the modulus of rupture. So, ang modulus of rupture in terms of feet is FR 7.5 lambda square root of FC prime. Kapag ka naman metric, FR is equal to 0.7 lambda square root of FC prime. Ito in terms of megapascal, ito in terms of PSI. So, 7.5 lambda, 1.0 kasi normal weight, square root of 3,000. So, ayan yung limit natin sa, yan yung pagitan ng crack saka uncrack na stress. Stress tension. Okay, mayroon tayong uncrack na 411 pound per inch squared. So, kapag kayo drawing natin yung stress strain, so ito yon yung FR. Yung capacity ni concrete na tension. Kapag nilagpasan niya yung stress ng mas malaki, ganyan, so hindi na siya uncrack. Crack na yan. Pero pagka hindi pa niya nilalagpasan to, uncrack pa din siya na kondisyon. So, tignan natin, 411. So, yung nakukuha nating stress is 338. Ah, sorry, dito. 172. Kasi nga yung sa bandang baba. So, uncrack nga siya. Then, yung moment, yung limit na moment, due to crack, so, may formula tayo na FR IG over C. Same formula ng ng stress. Yan o, 3 transpose lang yung MC over I. So, 3 transpose lang siya. So, 411 pound per inch squared. Tapos, IG. Same IG. 6185 inch to the fourth. So, cancel yung inch. Squared na lang. Divided by C. Siyempre sa tension side. Which is 32 minus 10.81. So, kasi tension yung tinutukoy natin dito. So, inch. So, cancel yung isang inch, kaya pound inch na lang matira. Magkakaroon ka ng value na moment na 1,167,000 saan na yun? 344 pound per inch squared. Inch. Okay? Pero ang hinanap dito is yung uniform, hindi moment. So, kaya may given na L. So, W is equal to 8M over L squared. So, galing siya sa moment is equal to WL squared over 8. So, 8 times moment na 1,167,000 344. Parang itong MCR, parang moment capacity before siya mag-crack. Hindi yan yung ultimate capacity, divided by L squared, 24 feet. So, anong unit natin dito? Pounds, inch. May kailangan ba tayo i-convert? So, ito. Times 12 inch, 1 feet. So, cancel feet. And then, squared natin. So, inch squared. Tapos, may inch sa taas. So, pound per inch. Kaya, ano siya? Uniformly distributed load. Mayroong makukuha dyan na 1,000, hindi ko ito na-compute. 8 times 1167,377 divided by 24 times 12 squared. Ilan? Pounds, inch. 12 squared dapat. So, 8 times 1167, 377 divided by 24 divided by 12 squared. May makukuhang 1351 keep fit in terms of keep fit na yan. Pero dito kanina kinonvert ko na kaagad. Okay, so ayan yung sagot ng uniformly distributed load. Okay guys,